Hello, everybody, and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel Guru today, back with another Awesome formula called D average. Yes, D average. What does D average do? Well, D average allows you to take out the average of a specific column. These are called columns, these vertical collections based on criteria that you give. Now, criteria can be multiple. You can choose average of apples above the height of say 10 or 12, or just the averages of apple which are above 18 or is equal to 18. Getting it? I'll show it to you by an example. It's a wonderful thing. A bit difficult, I'll call it the level difficult. So we'll start this. I'll teach this formula to you in two different manners. The first one would be my favorite, which is the syntax of the formula. The second one is by going to the formula tab, doing the insert function feature. So let's start it. So I have already done this. I'll remove it. Before doing this, we have to understand this thing some. All right, some data. The average would only work if the data is presented to it to Excel in a specified manner. All right, we have to collect the data first. We have to create a database. So this is a database. These are the name of the trees. These are their heights. These are the ages. These are the yields, and these are the profits from these trees and their apples and all. And this is a field name now over here. See, this has the same criterion over here. Field name criteria. You can now enter the criteria based, uh, which could be any of these, but ensure to add it in the right place over here. Like say for example, let us count the let's do an average of uh, say apples which are above the height of 12. See, I've already entered that, so let's do that. All right, how we are going to do that is equal to will be entered first. Daverage. See what did it say? Averages the values in a column in a list of or database that match conditions you specified. Just what I said. So first we have to choose the database. So I'll press the shift button and use the arrow keys to select the complete area, then comma, then which is the field name that I'm looking at. So say for example, I am looking at field name which is, I want a average of the yield based on the height. Yeah, that's cool. Now I'll teach you one more thing. See, this is something cool. See, when I clicked over here, it gave me F9, correct? Now what I can do is I can select it and press F9 again, and voila, this name appears over here. Isn't it cool? Well, I loved it. Oh, oops. What's gone? What's gone? Hello, 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 hello. Ah, uh, just having fun with Excel. I press F9 and here it comes, and I press a comma. It's gone. Okay, I'll do it later. Maybe no, I'll do it. I'll do it. Where has it gone? It's lovely thing to learn new things. What was it? How am I going to do this? Ah, I get it. Comma. At least after all, I got it. Okay. Now, comma, and we have to choose the criteria. You see, the criteria is trees, which are named as apples, and height of those trees, which are above 12 feet. All right. So I close the bracket. The answer is 12. Isn't it fun? Isn't it fun? I wanted the yield, the average yield of apples which are above the height of 12. We were able to get it. Nice, 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 nice. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, we'll do it the another with another in another manner now. We go to the formula tab, we go to the insert function, and we type in d average, d-a-v-e-r-a-g-e, and click on go. Oh, d-a-v-e-r-a-g-e. Click on go, and here it is. Just remember, all these formulas that you're seeing, each and every one would be covered by me. Okay, database. What does it say? Database is the range of cells that make up the list or database. A database is a list of relative data. Now ensure that when you are doing a D average formula, there should be no gaps or rows, columns left empty in the database. Ensure that. Field is on which field would you like to get the average? So I will like to get the average this time on profits. See? And what's my criteria? Again, my criteria is apples which are apple trees which are above the height of 12. So let's see. Something went wrong, something went wrong, something went wrong. Captain, there is an error. Okay, we'll do it again. Here it is. I love doing Excel. See, we select it. Field is now profits. This is my field. I want to do the average of profits for apple trees which are above the height of 12 feet. So this is my answer. Voila! Cool. Right, right. The Excel sheet that you're looking at is available on my website www.excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. This is my website. I made it myself. You just go to the training files page and download the file from there, so that you can follow along, practice along, or just keep it for reference sake, dude. And on my webpage, we have my social icons, social networking sites icon. You do please do follow me on Twitter. Do like us on Facebook, and do subscribe to us on YouTube if you think that what I'm doing is right. If you believe that spreading education is right, then click on Facebook and you'll land up on my page. Do click on like and share the content. Share the content. Go to YouTube, subscribe, and you will be aware whenever there's a new video, and share the video. Just click on share and share the video. See, you can share on Facebook, Twitter. Show more. Share it. Let's share knowledge. So this is your Excel Guru. This is your Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day. Happy Excel learning.